In this video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Atomic wallet from your PC. This is going to be an easy tutorial, so make sure you watch it until the end and let's get straight into it. Now, before you log in to your Atomic wallet on your PC, you must download the application. Firstly, open up this website, which is atomicwallet.io, and you can click on download and download it for Windows. After the application has been downloaded, you can simply open up the application, which will look something like this. Now you can click on restore from backup and you will need to enter the 12-word backup phrase. After you enter the phrase, now you need to type in the password and then repeat your password. Click on set password, and as easy as that, now you have been successfully logged in and restored your wallet of Atomic. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.